This is the Bombay Shaving Company Charcoal Face Wash, 100 grams, for pollution and oil control. The Bombay Shaving Company Charcoal Face Wash is a paraben-free formula that purifies and deeply cleanses the skin. It removes dirt, pollution, and dust from the skin's surface for a natural glow and helps control excess oil, preventing future outbreaks. It is enriched with pomegranate, papaya, turmeric, and activated charcoal. It is suitable for normal skin types. The face wash comes in a 100 grams tube. This product is also available in combo options. This product is also available in multi-pack options. To use, squeeze out, apply and rinse. Use the Bombay Shaving Company Charcoal Face Wash, 100 grams, for pollution and oil control. For further information, visit the product detail page.